Welcome. If you're looking for a quick and simple way to filter your starred emails that are older than 6 months on Gmail using your mobile device, you're in the right place. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, organizing your important emails and decluttering your inbox is just a few taps away. Start by opening the Gmail app on your phone. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen for the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap that. Next, scroll through the menu and tap on Starred. This will instantly show you every email you flagged as important, making it much easier to find messages that matter. Now let's narrow things down to just the older messages. Directly below the search bar, you'll see a small filter bar that includes an option called Date. Tap on Date to open the filter settings. A menu of time periods will appear. Here, tap on Older than 6 months. Instantly, Gmail will show you only those starred emails that were received more than 6 months ago. This view is perfect for finding messages you flagged long ago but might want to revisit or organize. From here, you can review these emails, move them to different folders, label them, or even delete the ones you no longer need. It's a smart way to keep your inbox clean and make sure nothing important slips through the cracks over time. That's it. With just a few taps, you've learned how to quickly filter all your starred emails that are older than half a year, right from your smartphone. Regularly using these filters helps keep your most important emails easy to access and your inbox refreshed. Thanks for watching. Thanks for